Did you know that hiccups can last for years? It's true. While most hiccups are just a brief annoyance, some unlucky folks have dealt with them for decades. Take Charles Osborne, for example. This guy hiccuped nonstop for 68 years. Imagine that. From 1922 to 1990, every day was a hiccup marathon. But why does this happen? Well, chronic hiccups can be caused by all sorts of things: neurological issues, stomach problems, or even metabolic imbalances. And here's the kicker. When hiccups stick around for more than 48 hours, doctors consider them chronic. So next time you get the hiccups, be grateful if they only last a few minutes. Because for some people, it's a lifelong battle against the hic.